Hi everyone, it's me, your instructor, Professor Erin O'Keefe. I'm just sitting here in my office on the Burlingame campus. Thought I'd make a quick video for you introducing the class. Hopefully everyone has logged in and started to look at the information in Module 1 and started to think about how to complete the assignments. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the class if you haven't gone through things already. Here's the welcome announcement. Make sure that you do get your textbooks. We have had some issues with textbooks, and so if you haven't gotten yours already, you need to contact the bookstore and get those right away. You will need them for Module 1. And then, of course, make sure you read through the other information here. Syllabus and Resources tab just contains the syllabus and course at a glance and other resources. You will not generally be using this tab as often. The Assignments tab is where you want to go first. This gives you just Module 1. The other modules will appear as we get closer to the due date for the previous one, and so they'll kind of stack up down the list there. In Module 1, you want to read through the to-do list, of course, and then you should have a table of contents on the side. Some students have issues with this module folder format, and so if you don't have this table of contents, you can actually pop it out so then you can navigate a little bit easier. If it's frustrating for you, send me an email. Couple of things. There are 3 very simple, easy assignments in this module. I want you to do them right away. The welcome email assignment, the Museum of Me discussion board, and then the academic honesty quiz. So those 3 you should do right away. I would get them done by this coming Sunday. That will give you a full week to write the narrative essay. The narrative essay is our first essay assignment for the class, and because we only have 1 module for it, it can be a little bit challenging to complete in such a short time frame. It's supposed to be a fairly easy essay. You're choosing an event that has happened in your life that changed you in some way. So this would be something that you experienced that you thought made you a different person when it was done. So choose something fairly short. If you can get it down to a moment in your life that made a change, made a difference, that would be best. Otherwise, you're thinking of something that happened maybe within a day or less, or 1 day of a longer event. So if you went on vacation or something, you just pick that 1 day that you felt was most important for you. Give yourself at least a week to write this essay. What I would suggest is plan. So, first day, do some pre-writing brainstorming. Maybe second day, do an outline, and then start working on a draft. Make sure you give yourself enough time to revise the draft. Definitely you can use our online writing lab. You can go have a friend look over your paper. We don't have a peer edit in this unit, so make sure that you are giving yourself time to self-edit and revise before you turn in the final draft, because this is your first essay. You want to make sure that you're not starting off with something that it's going to give you a very low score. You want to put some effort into it. So that's kind of what to expect from this unit. As always, you can send me an email if you have any questions. We do have plenty of time to get this stuff done, but those due dates do sneak up on you. So hopefully everyone is doing well, and I hope you have a great weekend.